So last time on I'm Glad You Asked, Riley was asking, is there really a such thing as dry ice? Which honestly, super fun question because yes, dry ice is real. It's when you go from a solid to a liquid. It's carbon dioxide. Well, this time around, we're gonna have a little bit more fun with dry ice. Adult supervision is required. Okay, T. Copeland, I'm gonna let you be in charge of the soap, okay?
Yes.
So you need to pour that soap right on in there. Can you do it?
Yes.
How much soap should we put in there? Tell me when you're ready.
Blue.
It is blue. Good? I think that's perfect. Okay. So now Mommy's gonna get some warm water, okay? Now we're gonna get our dry ice. And T. Copeland, do we touch dry ice? No, because dry ice is really cold, isn't it? Dry ice can actually burn you. So we're gonna use tongs and we have gloves. So we're gonna put some dry ice in here. You ready? Here come the bubbles. Ready? And then they dissipate because it's all, it's not water. Well, some of it's water because of the warm water we put in there, but it's turning into a gas. So this is a really fun one you can do with the little ones, of course, at a safe distance. T. Copeland, can you do it? Clap. Clap. And what's happening is you've got the Dawn dish detergent interacting with the water, allowing these bubbles, but instead of like normal wet bubbles, because we're using carbon dioxide instead, it makes it just dissipate up. Okay, T. Copeland, do you want to try something else?
Yes.
How about this? We're gonna grab some paper towels. So we got our paper towel. It's submerged in Dawn dish detergent. I'm gonna take it, watch, Mommy. Ready? I'm gonna take it, I'm gonna rub it around the rim. Rub it real good. Now, take it, ready? There you go. Okay, let's see if we can do a bigger one, okay?
Yes.
So basically what's happening is we're going from our solid, dry ice, and it's having that sublimation effect. So it's going from that solid to a gas, and then you just add a bubble right on top of it, and then you get a really cool balloon. Science truly is cool. You gotta be careful, but it really is cool. So yes, there is a such thing as dry ice, and sublimation makes things very interesting. If you've got a science question or just a question in general, we'll figure it out because I'm glad you asked. Just email Nikki-Dee.ray@newschannel5.com.